Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing great. So guys, Techno Kasim here. Today's video guys, we are going to introduce an amazing project. So guys, if your text sessions are files live across emails, camera rolls, WhatsApp and random folders on your desktop, that's not a text problem, that's a system problem, and it's probably why text sessions feels more exhausting and it needs to be. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna walk through a clean end-to-end text document workflow from scanning receipts to verifying figures to sending off a final PDFs using a Wondershare PDF element. So guys, this setup is ideal for UK accountants, freelancers and small business owners dealing with high volume text documents. So guys, please watch our video till end. So before starting it, guys, like and subscribe our channel, and guys don't guys forget that this video is only made for educational purpose. We are not the financial advisor, so always do your own research first and then invest. Now guys, we have to begin our video, so guys watch it. So guys, we are here on the mobile screen. I can show you in my left corner. You can simply out of the open the PDF element app. First of all guys, most people think tax season is difficult because of the forms or the rules. In reality, the biggest guys challenge is to collecting, organizing and verifying documents. So guys, receipts come from anywhere, like number copied manually, and even after checking everything, you are never fully confident nothing was guys missed. So what you need to transparent and traceable file system. First of all guys, I will guys scan the receipt from using my this mobile and show you how we can do. Let's open using PDF element receipt assistant. We can simply click on that. We will see the receipt assistant in that corner. I can scan the paper directly from my mobile phone, and there I instantly converted into a scrappable PDFs, not just image files. It's which already saves a huge amount of times. Now guys, I need to show you simply we can open the receipt assistant. We can select the file as well. We can scan the paper as well. So guys, I am going to scan it guys. Simply that we have received, we can click on the scan button, and then sorry, the picture is not fully, we need to scan again guys, like that. So I'm going to do manually. So we have to hold 1 to 2 seconds there. Now guys, that is the perfect photo. We need to click on the next button. You can check out, that is the picture we are going to do, like this one, not this one. So guys, if you want to do the another guys photo, simply guys, we need to click on the receipt assistant, scan it again, like that. We need to click on the guys manual or auto capture is also on. Simply guys, you need to click on that and hold a 1 to 2 second, click on the guys next button, and again that's it. Our videos guys picture is ready. We can simply apply the OCR as well. So we will definitely do and apply the OCR using guys here, or we can also do it from a PC as well. So the same cloud will be open to you on your PC as well. Simply guys, you can we will now convert it to the PC, where I can show you how we can edit it and convert it to guys Excel sheet as well. Simply guys, this is uploading to the cloud image, so we have to wait for a few seconds there, and let's see. So here guys, you can check out the receipt assistant name, the date, the currency, the guys subtotal. If you want to edit the any guys part, we can simply do it here as well. So you can also guys do the guys text, how much we have a text in it, the total amount, the subcategories as well. You can also change the name as well. So that is the new thing. Simply need we need to click on the save button, and then it is the same thing will be guys saved in our cloud. So now guys, we need to open our PC screen, where I will show you this image. So here guys, we are on the PC screen. You can check out we are having the same guys receipt in our PC screen that we have scanned before. That is the guys picture we have guys of a receipt. that we uploaded from our guys mobile. You can simply perform the OCR as well. Simply we need to click on the OCR, that will be going performing, and guys it will be done within a few guys seconds. After the guys OCR completed, I can show you. We will also convert it to the guys export to guys new version like Excel version as well. Simply guys you can check out all scanned documents are saved in our cloud. I have showed you the same cloud when I open the PDF element on my PC. You can check out guys, the same receipt are already there. We can simply manage, review everything using our desktop. So that is guys amazing thing, and there is guys accuracy there, and we can really improves and click any extracted data field, example totals, and simply guys you can check out if you want to edit anything. Simply guys you can go for edit, and you can simply perform guys with the here you can check out the summarized PDF, the PDF Word. You can check out the PDF PPT, or guys you can check out PDF to element as well. So that is the good sign. You can also chat with the AI section as well. Simply guys you need to click on it. If you have any guys resolution according to this, according to the total, simply guys you can edit anything you want, where you can simply guys put in it, and that is the good sign. The significant reduce manual checking and audit risk. That is guys the good thing. Now guys if we want to export the data to the Excel screen, simply guys we need to go there. We can simply click on the guys AI assistant. That is here we have simply guys we need to click on it, the select section. We need to click on the export version file it, and simply guys we need to click on the save button. Now again we need to open it. The thing we have now, if we want to edit anything, the same thing will be open here. The all guys sections, if you want anything to be adjusted, like once everything is scanned you can verify and select all documents and export to the data. And Excel we have all expenses, we have all totals, and guys weight value as well. So that is the good thing we have received from it. Now guys we will also show you how we can combine different kind of guys PDF to the one. Simply guys we need to click on the combine files. We need to click on the add button. Now guys if we want to combine the different guys things here, like that I need to show you. Simply guys we need to click on it, or we can simply click on it and then paste it here. Now we can guys cross it, and that is it. We have a different kind of guys PDF in one section. We can combine the different I can show you the PDF files into one organized PDF. You can check out the blank statement, invoices, receipts, and can all merge in the PDF element. That makes the document submissions and achieving more efficient. We can simply guys add our watermark as well. You want to add our watermark, edit anything in it, like that. We can simply click on the apply button, and that watermark will be applied on our guys PDF as well. That we have converted and merged different kind of PDF in guys one thing. Now guys let's look at editing an actual UK form. So guys here let's look at guys self-assistant tax return essay 100, which is the main form using the individual self-employed and taxpayer in the UK. With the PDF element I can open essay 100 and the PDF. We can simply guys edit the different kind of things, like if you want to click on the edit all, you can simply edit the anything in it. Like we can put the 3000 in it. We can simply put the intro. If we want to guys edit the anything in it, we need to click on add number which you want, like edit here as well. You can simply guys like that put the numbers. We can simply guys edit the anything we want. So that is the good sign. We can correct the figures or a text. We can note where dated. That's the need of a correct file for re-uploading anything with a PDF element. That is fully editable. We can edit the any part of things if we want. Simply guys we need to go there edit the anything we want. So everything is editable here, and we can guys correct the figures. We can guys correct the text as well. We can edit a form field directly and add notes where needed. That is the good thing in guys PDF element. So also guys, we can also assist a review as well. We can get guys like before submission PDF element, we can get AI submission. That is act as a good second pair of eye. I can ask it for summarize the text sections. We need to click there if we want the guys good thing. We want guys second pair of eyes. We can cross check the totals. We can highlight the potentials as well. It doesn't replace the professionalism and judgment. We can extremely helpful for guys chatting. We want to get the PDF as well. Simply guys, what kind of point we have and summarize the total. We can get the chat with the PDF as well. So if you want to enhance anything like guys cross total before submissions and a document, I use smart reduct to remove sensitive information from there. Guys, that is the good thing, and information that will be collected. And also guys, the bank account numbers, the personal guys IDs, guys confidential details, that will be guys guys our secure, and the final submissions can be shared securely and achieve the compliance record as well. So if you want to ask anything to summarize total, do guys we can get the cross check, summarize check, highlight potential, that will be given to us very clearly. So that is the good thing from there. We can also check out the every document is organized, every number is traceable, and if we want to export it, simply guys we can simply click on the export button. We want to save it or don't save, that up to you. We can simply send it via guys email. We can copy the link as well. The link is creating to for us. And also guys, we can share the mobile version as well from the guys QR code. The link is will be creating that is the link guys. We can copy the link as well, copy the link and share it to other. So the guys that is the good thing we are guys getting from them, and everything is editable from guys PDF element. So that is the good thing. Now guys, it's time to final recall. So guys, that was the review. If you want to simplify your text workflow, you can download the Wondershare PDF element, the link below in our video. It's free to try and test the system and yourself and see first your text process. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video guys. Goodbye.